So the way that the ledger works is we have an account balance right here, and then we take a look over here at the next transaction to see what happens. So from $360 you subtracted $22.50 to get the $337.50. So now we have the $337.50, and we're going to do something to it to get the 182, and we don't know what that something is, to get the 182.35. Well, if you think about it, we're going down, so we're going to have to subtract. We just need to figure out what we're going to subtract by. So to figure that out, we do 337.50 minus 182.35, and that gives us $155.15. So the transaction is minus 155.15.